Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Amuda Amarraj, Director, Knowledge Center for Languages and Studies, Kumbakonam. Well, I'm super excited today to inform you that my book, Integrating Technology in English Literature and Language Teaching, a comprehensive guide, has been published by Notion Press. I'm an alumna of the Government Arts College for Women, Kumbakonam. I had a discussion with the head of the department, Dr. G. Rajeshwari. And it was brought to my notice that a lot of material for a particular syllabus, that is integrating technology in the classroom, was not available. So I made it a point to use my learning and expertise to come out with the book. The language I've used is very simple, so it would be easy for students from the rural background to learn and understand, and also update themselves with technology. You will find just not information about the use of technology. You will find information about foundations of technology in teaching, instructional design and multimedia principles, understanding frameworks for technology integration, and choosing the right technology tools. There are lesson plans to teach poetry, drama, and other aspects of literature along with English language teaching. And amazingly, you will find all websites and technologies with the links in this particular